What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be flipping the GTA 3 pager into a Jersey Club track. Now, before we start today's video, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know what other type of videos you want to see in the future by leaving a comment below. I'll be using sounds from the Jersey Club Essential drum kit and the Naptime drum kit, and they'll be available in the description below. Now let me play you the pager. I want to set the BPM to 147. And I want to unwrap this, I want to warp whatever. And immediately I just want to start chopping. So I will just break these apart. So now this is the chopped up pager. So it went from this to this. And we're just building a build up right now. So I made the build up. It turned to the older style Jersey Club music. So I added the hybrid reverb. That's a new type of reverb that's built into Ableton Live, and it sounds like this. And with it dry, it sounds like this. And if I fade it in, so I'm gonna automate that right now, but let me show you the other sounds. So all together it sounds like this. And now let me add a quick bass. So I added the bass. I used the Flames 808 from the Naptime drum kit, and it sounds like this all together. So I made the bass. I made the foundation for this Jersey Club track. So we have the pager, we got a chant, we got a clap, we got some brick kicks, some scratches, some famous haze, some Madness hi-hat, some digital coins, the Flames 808, some more chants, and some more chants. And all together it sounds like this. Now that we made the bass, now I'm gonna do a little structuring. So I structured the song, and this is what we have so far. And now we're going to take in a new 808. So now that we added the actual 808, it sounds like this. Now from that point on, you can continue adding another pattern, or you can bring in a bridge. For this tutorial, I'm gonna add a bridge, and then we'll call it a day. And that's it. That's how we flip the GTA 3 pager into a Jersey Club track. Let me know what you want to see in the next tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.